Hi everyone, it's lunchtime again and it's going to be my first meal. Yes, Mama is going to make a video. We will share to them kung ano yung kakainin natin today. And since Georgie is almost 6 months now, I am starting to get back to intermittent fasting. So this is my first meal and it's already 12:16. And ano yung food natin? So we have bangus belly, which is like a staple here sa aming bahay. It's mostly eaten by me and Maming. And then we also have chicken. What's this?
Wow.
Sabaw. You like sabaw? And then but we have to blow because it's still hot. Okay.
Hot.
Hot. Okay, but not so hot anymore. And coming from work, we bought pork. So, with rice ito, but we remove the rice na because we are going to eat mostly just meat. And para hindi masyadong nakakaumay, we also have a shirataki rice in place. So, eto na yung parang sinaing namin. So, eto, this is already a lot than usual. Usually, half lang yan. Apat na kami naghahati. So, for sure, this one, marami pa yung may iwan later. And I have pork, binagoongang pork. And for our drinks, we have soda water. So, yun na yung pinaka-treat ko. Yung parang, para meron tayong pang-paburp. Na? So, this is our meal and we wanna eat. Wanna drink? Si Brie ay sanay na sanay din sa soda water. Then, so, let's eat. Yum, yum, yum. Are we gonna eat?
Yes.
Eat. You want taba?
Taba.
Taba. Here. I will look for taba for you.
Tin.
There.
Tin.
Skin also skin. You like skin? There, skin.
Tin.
And taba. Skin and taba. Yun lang. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.